The Congress party is claiming government's Vijay Devas's cold shoulder, that the army is shifting the iconic Pak surrender image that, remember, we have seen the 1971 image of which today is the anniversary, that there has been, in many ways, the shifting of it. Congress claims that there has been an insult to the Bangladesh bravehearts, those who fought the 1971 India-Pakistan war, and that image has now been replaced for some reason. So what is it? What is instead of that historic image, of which visuals are on your screen? It's the Pangong war clashes image that has been now put up. This is at the Army Chief's Lounge. And because of the recent images that are going viral, so each time there was an image that is usually claimed with a dignitary or a visitor, especially with the Army Chief, you could see in the backdrop, in the background, there was the 1971 war image. Now here's what Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is speaking.
सभापति महोदया जी, बहुत खुशी की बात है कि आपको अब याद आया, लेकिन आज विजय दिवस है। आज विजय दिवस है। 1971 के युद्ध में जिन शहीदों ने, जिन सेनाओं ने हमारे लिए लड़ाई लड़ी, जिन जानबाजों ने ये लड़ाई लड़ी, सैन्य अधिकारों को, सैनिकों को, शहीदों को, सबको सबसे पहले मैं नमन करना चाहती हूँ। मैं देश की जनता को नमन करना चाहती हूँ कि आज के दिन जो विजय भारत ने पाई, वो उनके बिना नहीं हो सकता था।
So today is the anniversary. It's 53 years of the 1971 India-Pakistan war, the liberation for Bangladesh, and of course a historic moment for the country, of which the image was consistently seen in the Army Chief's Lounge. That image has been replaced, and that's what the political showdown that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is leading with. Shivani Sharma joins me, also Mausami Singh. Shivani, I'll come to you first. First, tell us about the issue at hand. How has this and as an image become such a political showdown with regard to Army Chief's Lounge?
See, Pooja, there was an iconic image that was placed in the Army Chief's Lounge, and this lounge doesn't have access for all, but only for the special invitees. It is a very reverent place when it comes to the Army Chief. And this iconic picture that used to show how 93,000 Pakistani soldiers had surrendered in 1971 after India had won that war. And it symbolized our victory over decades. But now this picture has been replaced by another picture which is equally iconic in terms of our relationship with China and the recent developments that have taken place, Pooja. And this picture shows Pangong Tso Lake. And it also shows how India has been transforming in terms of its vision, in terms of its dealing with China, and how after Galwan clash we have not only taken on China in terms of our deployments, in terms of strengthening ourselves, but also pursuing China both diplomatically and militarily. And now we know that the disengagement has already taken place from the friction points, and now India is moving ahead to a further solution. But now the question is that where is that picture gone? And the army has updated that the picture, the iconic picture that was there at the Army Chief's Lounge, has now been installed at the Manekshaw Auditorium. And the army in a statement has called this place a better and appropriate place for this iconic picture, and this has been done, Pooja, on the occasion of Vijay Divas. So now the army has clarified that the picture has not been put out, but it has been shifted to another place that has been chosen thoughtfully for this particular picture. And the issue has now come up in the parliament when not only Rahul Gandhi but Priyanka Gandhi have questioned the government, and they've questioned that why this picture has been removed.
All right, Shivani, also stay on with me. Mausami Singh is joining me for the latest. Mausami, clearly the Congress has not left the opportunity, and because today is also the anniversary day of the 1971 war in victory. What exactly is the reason Priyanka Gandhi Vadra led the charge? What did she say?
So clearly in the lower house, Pooja, there was no reference to Vijay Divas is what the opposition MPs are saying by the government. There was no statement made to mark this historic day. of a huge victory over Pakistan and the way the war was fought and India's contribution. And that's why, to commemorate Vijay Devas, there should have been a statement by the government, is what the Congress MPs were saying. And so Priyanka Gandhi said that the government might have forgotten that today is Vijay Devas. And she highlighted this particular photograph, this picture, which has been actually, it's a picture, the picture which has been shifted to from the iconic Army Chief's Lounge, saying that you're trying to change history. She alleged that the government didn't refer to the Vijay Devas. She didn't allow, I wasn't allowed to speak, and therefore the Congress staged a walkout later. Priyanka Gandhi also raked up the issue of Hindu minorities in Bangladesh and the atrocities that were happening on the Hindu minorities, while saying that this was very unfortunate that on the occasion of Vijay Devas we have to take up an issue where that historic iconic moment was captured or depicted in that picture.
Mosmi, stay on with me because Shivani also continues to be with us. Shivani, both are important mentions, whether it's 1971 war image or this specific with the China border. But this has, I'm sure, become a discussion point among veterans as well. What are you picking up about precisely the change that has happened? Because in some way, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra realizing that they've got one opportunity that directly or indirectly they can charge at the government over this.
See, Pooja, this came as a surprise because initially the army did not inform about this change that's going to happen. Only when some pictures were noticed out there, and then we did a story, we broke the story last week, in fact, where we mentioned that this has changed in the Army Chief's Lounge. And there were a number of questions being raised about where did that picture go? Will it be installed somewhere or will it not be seen anymore? So now to those questions, Army has answered and clarified that the picture remains, but it remains at a different place. And Army has also said that this will be a better iconic place, a better place where more people can have a watch at this picture, because the Army Lounge had a limited Army Chief's Lounge had a limited access to people, but where now the picture has been put, more people go there as more gatherings takes place there, more events happen. It is a place where more people can have a look of this picture. So in that perspective, Army says that this is a better place for this iconic 1971 surrender picture. And definitely when India is changing in terms of its treatment with China and how it has dealt with, so the Galwan picture is equally important. The Pangong picture is equally important. That's what some people also believe. Pooja.
All right. Thank you so much, Shivani and Mosmi. This has become a huge political showdown, but the army itself has put forth a statement to say that the image hasn't been replaced completely. It is still in and close to the lounge, and it has been given a befitting place where more visitors can come and take a look at that, get clicked as well. But political showdown with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra leading that. Thank you very much to my colleagues on the ground.